Hey, what's going on everybody? A couple things I wanted to share today. I set up an LED shop light for this end of my shop, hooked up to a remote control so I can turn it on from down here. When I need it, it's plugged into an outlet on the ceiling, so there was no convenient way except a remote control. It's super bright and it lights up this whole end. Truth be told, we got tons of snow and we never get snow down here, so been trapped in the house all weekend and thought I'd do some of these little projects that I've been waiting and thinking about doing, and this was just the perfect opportunity. A friend of mine gave me this floodlight. I wasn't sure where it came from or what the origin of it was. I was just looking online and you can find them for real cheap, so thought I'd share it for anyone who was looking for a good lighting solution for their shop. See, I got these fluorescents and it was perfect. But when I'm at my table saw here, I'll be casting a shadow and then working in the dark. Also at the lathe over here. So this new light really lights up this whole half of the shop. Router table, lathe, table saw. So I'm really stoked about it. Really happy with the solution. Thought I'd share it for anyone out there looking for it. Let's check it out on the computer real quick and I'll show you where you can find these things that I used. And have a good one. Peace. So I've never used wish.com, so I couldn't recommend them one way or the other. A friend of mine was telling me to check it out, and sure enough, as soon as I looked there, I saw one of these very lights. So I thought I'd share that. Here's one almost exactly like what I got. 11 bucks, it's like $6 in shipping. So $20 price point, you can probably get one of these. And like I said, I can't vouch for the quality of something from Wish, but this is where my research brought me. There's tons and tons of options around the $20 price point. So pretty simple here. I wanted to kind of just test the concept first. I just put it up with some little bits of wire and just put it through those holes that mount the garage door opener. And it did really good. I'm probably going to change that a little bit to point it slightly in the opposite direction. I needed a remote control, so I found this one at the Home Depot. Really simple, $10 something. It's from the company Defiant. But you just plug in something to the bottom of it and then plug this thing into the wall. Done. So like nothing at all to that. I plugged it in and I didn't want the wire hanging down, so I used some more little pieces of wire and snug that on up there. 1, 2, 3, simple as that. Super quick, super simple fix. Gives me a little bit of light to work by though. Now the lathe is going to be lit up. It has been pretty dark over there, so maybe I'll clean up that area for once now and start using it while it's nice and cold out. Just for a little check to see the difference in the light. This is pretty dark. Can't really see very well. This, a little better. The awesome thing about these LEDs, you push it, it's on. Full brightness, just like that. I got a couple lights in the closet that take 10 minutes or something to get to their full brightness. These fluorescent tubes, when it's real cold like this, it takes them 10 minutes or so to warm up. They're kind of flickering, giving you a headache. These right here, on, like that. Off, like that. On. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good one. Peace.